Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to Mathematics NDPH. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today let's look at a quick one on simultaneous equations. So we have this problem on the board, so we can simply call this equation 1 and this as equation 2. In solving simultaneous equations, we have different methods. We have the substitution method, the elimination method, we have the graphical method. We also have the method of matrix or determinants. All right. So today I'm going to be using a different approach, which we are going to be using the method of determinant or matrix. So how do I go about solving this? So the first step is this. Right? I want to bring this to this side so that this becomes 0. So for the first equation, we're going to have 2x plus 3y. Now, how would I make this 0? It means I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So if I add 2 here, okay, and add 2 here, so this side becomes 0. Now for this, we are going to add 6 here and add 6 here. So we are going to have 3x plus 4y. So if I add 6 here and add 6 here, okay, so you see that this side becomes 0. So you can see that the right hand side has become 0, alright? So from this, we can now be able to find our x. Now to find our x, okay, you can observe me circling all this, okay? So to find x, I'm going to simply what? Find, okay, the determinant of what after circle. So we're going to go this way. So 4 times 2, there is 8. All right, so minus, then 3 times 3, which is what? 9. All right. So now that we are done with, the denominator will now work on the numerator. Now for the numerator, we are going to, do this other part. So we are going to work on these parts to these parts. Okay? So let's work on this part now using determinants. So we are going to simply see, okay, plus 6 times plus 3, which is what we have as 18, right? So minus, whenever you are doing determinants, you want to put a minus. Now plus 4 times plus 2 is going to give us 8. So 18 minus 8 is going to give us what? 10. And 8 minus what? 9 is going to give us minus 1. So this is still equals to what? Minus what? 10. Because 10 divided minus 1 is still minus 10. So let's keep our x as what? Minus 10 somewhere here. Now we're going to look for what? Y. Now how do we find y? Now to find y, we can simply use any of the equations. So let's use, okay, this equation 1. So since I have my x as minus 10, I'm going to substitute x as minus 10 here. So I have 2 multiply minus 10. So plus, we have 3y is equals to what? Minus 2. Now know that 2 times minus 10 is what? Minus what? 20. So plus, we have 3y is equals to what? Minus what? 2. From this step, we can now what? Make y the subject of formula. So I'm going to add 20 to both sides. Alright, so if I add 20 here, I'm also going to add 20 here. Alright, so that this becomes what? 0. So I'm left with what? My 3y, which is equals to, now minus 2 plus 20 is going to give us what? Minus 2 plus 20 is simply going to give us 18. or plus 18. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. This will cancel this, and this cancels this, we have 6. So our y in this problem is 6. So the values of x and y in this problem is x is equal to minus 10 and y is equal to 6. You can do well to substitute back into these equations to verify. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.